starting with just $1, you can easily scale a business that is going to make you $200 or more every single day. So here's the idea. It's pretty simple. You're going to create something cool, put it on one of those image marketplaces, and then start creating passive income. And obviously, you're here because you want to know how to do that. So make sure that you're sticking around into the end of this video. What's up, money makers? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Diamond Chanel, and we talk about all things money. In this video, I'm about to show you how to start creating passive income using only $1 in a digital product business. And all you'll have to do is start creating some graphics. And if you're not artsy, don't worry about it. This does not require any type of artistic skills. Follow the 5 simple steps I'm about to give you, and then you'll be on your way to earning money in your sleep. There's only one catch for all of this free information. I need you all to go ahead and give this video a like, because this is going to help us expand our money making community. So just go ahead, hit that like button for me. And if you're new here, make sure that you subscribe, because I give a whole lot of money making tips. Now, you guys know we don't do long intros here, so let's just go ahead into the information. The first thing you need to do is to come up with a niche idea. And throughout this video, I'm going to be showing you examples of this, and also you can check down below for the chapters. I made it easier for you in case you want to go ahead and skip some of these steps. But step number 1 is going to be coming up with a niche idea. For an example, I would say look around what's happening, pick something that's trendy, and then niche it down a little bit. At the time of this recording, we are going into the month of August, and so there's a lot of things that's happening. There's back to school. We're about to transition into fall. So those are some of the things that you want to pick up on, and you want to go ahead and get ahead of the curve before everybody else starts flooding the market and start taking these ideas. So I knew that for my digital product, I wanted to get into and tap into the fall season. Since it's a huge marketable season, we all know that all the big holidays are coming up. There's Thanksgiving, there's Halloween, there is Christmas coming up. So I wanted to tap into that fall market, because in about a month, a lot of people, especially women, are going to start decorating their homes. And you're going to start seeing Starbucks pushing their pumpkin spice lattes. So that is going to be my niche, just to give you an example. But I want you to figure out what your niche is going to be, and that's going to be your first step. Now, going into your second step, and arguably your most important step, and that's going to be finding the graphic designs that you want in order to create your digital products. So just to give you an example here, I'm going to be talking about a print-on-demand business, but this can go for any type of digital product-based business. We're going to be using one of my favorite creative websites, and the website is called Creative Fabrica. And Creative Fabrica is a marketplace filled with millions of different graphic designs that are going to help you build your digital product business. So my favorite part of Creative Fabrica is the tab where you see POD, and this is going to stand for print on demand. But this particular section here are graphics created specifically for print on demand businesses. So what we're going to do, we're going to go through these graphics, and we're going to pick out some that match with our niche. So like I said, my niche for this video is going to be fall and targeted towards women. If you click the link in my description, you can get all this access for $1. So this is how we're going to start building our digital product business for $1, and flip that and turn that into products that can actually start generating us hundreds of dollars every single day. So now you'll have to download this into your computer, and this is what you're going to see. Here are the designs that I found that is going to go with my fall theme. Now, the third thing we need to do is take those images that we got from Creative Fabrica, and now think of at least 5 different products that we want to put these graphics on. So I wanted to target women who are interested in the fall aesthetic. Not only that, I want to do women who are interested in home decor, specifically fall themed home decor. So this is going to help me shape an outline of the type of products that I want to sell. So here's my 5 for an example: coffee mugs, wall art, candles, kitchen towels, and coasters. And the reason why I'm telling you to at least have 5 different products is because the way that we're going to generate multiple incomes all at one time is simply by using the same designs on different digital products over and over again. Therefore, we're going to find a winning design, and when it hits, we can use this on a coffee mug, we can use this on a notebook, we can use this on a coaster, we can use it on whatever type of product we want. And while one product is making sales, your other products will be making sales as well. And this is how you can get to that $200 a day type of business. Now getting into our 4th step, we have to find our print-on-demand manufacturers. For me, I love to use Printify, but you can use whatever print-on-demand manufacturer you would like. But here's just an example of what we'll have to do. I found my 5 niche products that I wanted to use, and now I'm going to take my designs and I'm going to upload them onto Printify. So this is what it will look like. It's a really simple and easy process, and now all you'll have to do is put a name to your product, figure out what price point you want to sell it as, and when you're thinking of the price that you're going to sell it, you number one want to figure out how much this is going to cost you to create. Now, just so that you know, with any print-on-demand manufacturer, you don't pay anything until you make a sale. So once a customer purchases from you, then the print-on-demand manufacturer is going to automatically take the customer's information once you have integrated your print-on-demand shop with your marketplace, and we'll get into that in a second. Then the information is going to automatically be transferred to that print-on-demand manufacturer, and then they're going to take the cost from you. But you would have already made the sale, so you're going to use your profits from the sale to then cover the cost of the product. I hope that that makes sense. We want to price our product to make sure that we are making a profit. So we want to consider the cost of the product and the shipping, okay? So either you're going to absorb the shipping costs within the price of the total product, or you can charge your customer for shipping, but the choice is yours. Now that we went through steps 1 through 4, we still have our 5th step to go. I need you all to pause for a second, and if you're enjoying this video, please go into the comment section below and leave me your favorite emoji. You can leave me a smiley face, a heart, a thumbs up, or whatever your favorite emoji is. This just allows me to interact with as many of you that I can, and also it just lets me know that you guys are listening and enjoying this content. All right, step number 5 is simply you need to take your design and now list it onto a crafty marketplace. So you can use different marketplaces like Etsy, which I talk about all of the time. So if you want to go deeper into having your Etsy shop, then go ahead and check out some of the other videos I have here, or check the link in my description. Or you can even use marketplaces like Zazzle. Or you can even simply use marketplaces like Facebook Marketplace to sell your designs. And you can also sell your designs across multiple different channels, multiple different marketplaces, and you can also utilize your own website to sell. We are able to accomplish steps 1 through 5 simply by using the website Creative Fabrica that gives us that $1 unlimited access. And you don't only have to do a print-on-demand business, you can create a bunch of other different products with their site. So if that's something that you're interested in, make sure that you check the link in my description so you can get that $1 access of a million different graphics in order to jumpstart your business. Now, if you want a more in-depth teaching on how to build a passive income empire that is going to make you a consistent income in your sleep, then make sure that you're checking out my business training course. And in that course, I teach you about 9 different passive income businesses that you can create that is all totally online, where you can start making money in your sleep. All of the links that you need is in my description below. And I thank you so much for sticking around with me, and I'll see you all in the next video.